There's a neighborhood in Seattle that's the quintessential setting for a rom-com. And if you're like me, one of the first impressions that you got of the city was actually from one of the many rom-coms set here. I had 3 older sisters. Uptown Seattle is the perfect balance of walkability and safety, where you can enjoy the high life yet also down-to-earth bars, where parks have city, sound, and mountain views, where music, art, food, and culture rule. If you're not from here, you might know it as Lower Queen Anne, but today, let's pretend you're an Uptown boy or girl. Imagine starting your Saturday, or any day really, in a mom and pop brunch spot before checking out the Huie garden and glass exhibits. Then window shop on your way to a market for wine and cheese, which you'll then enjoy at a waterfront park with Olympic mountain views. After which, you'll recaffeinate and recharge in a sidewalk cafe before heading to a concert, WNBA, or NHL match. Walk home to quickly change and grab your tickets to the ballet, opera, or repertory theater. End the day grabbing some of the best food Seattle has to offer, and then relaxing at one of Seattle's most laid-back but upbeat bars. All this, and only a few blocks from your home. Now let's talk about your home. At 123 John Street, the number 7 is more than just a lucky number. It's your unit number to an amazing 2-bedroom, nearly 900 square foot condo with secure parking and storage. In Uptown, your car will never need to leave your secured parking. There's easy transit access, or walk to the new Expedia headquarters, or down Mercer to get to the new Google office, or really any downtown South Lake Union, Westlake, or Belltown office. Before we head in, let's take a moment to take in the curb appeal of the Federal-style architecture from 1907. This brick beauty is perfectly placed in the heart of Uptown, yet it's on a quiet, residential, tree-lined street. Heading in, you'll love the stairwell to your second and top floor home. Notice the well-placed skylight and stunning woodwork. Entering through your original solid wood door, you're greeted with an open and airy living room. From here, your guests immediately notice how open and airy this home is, with its many oversized double-pane windows and wonderful flowing floor plan. As you stow your guest's coat in an oversized coat closet, your guest will notice a sea of warm and original fir floors, going from the living room through the dining room and into the kitchen, as well as each bedroom. While I have you here in the living room, I want to share with you where the owner and the prior residents have called the spot. You can curl up with a book or enjoy views, people watching outside the window, or looking up at the Space Needle. Next, in the beautiful dining room, we have gorgeous period built-ins. And even though this home is already a rare find, what's even more rare is the gas log fireplace. It'll surely add a spark to any dining experience. This is the owner's favorite place to socialize. In the winter, she loves hosting dinner parties where she always says she creates Huie, the Scandinavian concept of conscious comfort. The comfortable group conversations with a metaphorical and physical feeling of warmth and indulgence in food and drinks. The perfect floor plan and the fir floors continue into the kitchen with newer cabinets, granite countertops, built-in microwave, oven, and dishwasher. So right before the back door that goes down to your shared patio, we have the laundry room. We have an in-unit washer and dryer with even more storage. I'm going to take you back to the quiet tree-lined street in front, but we're going to go through the shared courtyard patio. The courtyard barbecue patio is central to your secured parking, to your bike parking, and to your storage unit. So whether you're into rom-coms or have 3 older sisters who made you watch them, you must come and experience 123 John Street. A home and neighborhood that you can only find in the movies. The sights, energy, friendliness, walkability, culture, taste, music, and sports. All only a couple blocks from your home at 123 John Street. Your home, your story, all this for only $599,000.